This is going to be a real quick video. On this piece we're going to show you how to do tremolos in Finale. Let's say you have a couple notes. So I'm going to go into speedy note entry and I'm going to go like this. I'm going to just pick an instrument. Let me pick one. Let me just pick this. Wait for it to load the notes. And let's say I want to make this a tremolo. You're going to select your measures, go to Plugins, TG Tools, Easy Tremelos. Then this plugin creates piano-style tremolos, usually in piano music, not before. You can either set it for 2 tremolos, go and click, and then close it, or you can select it for 3. Let's see you do this one. Alright, so let's say we're doing this. We're going to do the same thing, input your notes, and select the measures, go to Plugins, TG Tools, Easy Tremelos, click, and then in the little dialog box, you're going to put a number 3 there and click Go. It's going to have 3 lines for tremolos, okay? Now notice, I did quarter notes to get half note tremolos in there, and that's what you need to do in order for them to successfully fit in the measure. You need to have quarter notes, 2 quarter notes to get 2 half note tremolos in the playback notes section. But in order to get whole note tremolos, this is what you would do. Whole note tremolos, let's go to the piano part on this one, and you go 2 half notes. Alright, let's say we want all of this tremoloed. We're going to select all of these measures until they're blue, and then go to Plugins. And we're going to zoom this in real quick. Go to Window, or no, go to Plugins, excuse me. Go to Tremolos. And then specify the total number of beams or brackets you want and click Go. And it will automatically put those in for you. Okay? Now, 2 brackets is ba 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 ba. The 3 is like ba 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 ba. It's really fast. And for piano music, you'd be going really fast in between those 2 notes. That's what the tremolo does. All right? So, if you have any questions, please feel free to consult comments. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.